To create this design, I'm going to add a circle with 16 words. Then I will go to the edit mode, then select and checkered is select. Then scale down these words. Then I will go to the modifier, add modifier, generate and add screw modifier. Okay. And here I will give the 90-degree angle and increase the screw and decrease the resolution to 2 like this. You can choose different axes for the screw modifier. Here I'm going to select the Z axis. And then you can increase this iteration like this. Then shift A and add curve, add a Bezier circle, scale down this cylindrical part, then select it, then go to the modifier, deform and add curve modifier. Select that Bezier curve in the curve object and then rotate it into 90-degree like this. And then increase the screw iteration. If it is overlapping, select the Bezier circle and adjust its scale like this. Select that cylindrical part, that circle, go to the edit mode, select these words like this, and then Control B and V add bevel on them in this way. Add a 2 segment bevels and give the bevel width. Then apply these two modifiers. Then go to the edit mode, select everything, and then press M and merge by distance. So double words will get merged. And then press Alt N to recalculate the normal. And then hit Ctrl 2 to add the sub D modifier and shade smooth it. And you will get this kind of design. Pretty simple and easy design we have created here. You can see the topology. We have just used two modifier, one screw modifier and another curve modifier. And there is subdivision surface modifiers for smooth shading. So in this way, you can create this kind of design. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. See you next video. Take care.